Have you ever had work carried out by a tradesman and you're not happy with the work? Hi, I'm Neil from N.Brown Electrical and I can help you avoid employing a rogue electrician.
How's it going? Just thought I'd do a short video here today to explain to you why you should always use a registered electrician. Every day I go out to work and I come across substandard electrical work carried out by rogue electricians. And I think if some of the people who ordered that work knew just how bad and how unsafe that the work they paid for to get done was, they'd be absolutely appalled. And it just really grinds my gears. And because it puts you and your family and your property in danger. And you should always use a registered electrician because registered electricians are proven to be qualified to do the job and are regularly assessed every year for compliance. So how can you avoid employing a rogue electrician? Well, it's quite simple actually. There's a website called Electrical Competent Person Scheme, and I think it's www.electricalcompetentperson.co.uk. And you just go in there and you can search their details, search their name, their company name, their postcode, and if they're not listed on that site, then they're not a registered electrician, which means you don't know if they're qualified to work on electrical equipment. Registered electricians are assessed to a safety standard called BS 7671. And what it basically means is they've done the course, they've set an exam, and they're qualified. So that's the most important thing. Go onto that site, search their details, and if they're not on that, then they're not a registered electrician. And you shouldn't really be using them, to be quite honest with you. Because the likelihood is that they'll cut corners, they'll not do the job right, and they might not even know that they're not doing it right. So that's the first thing. Second thing is you can ask for references. A good electrician won't hesitate at all to give you a reference from someone, or a review, or a testimonial from someone. So make sure you ask them for that there. And the third thing is check their insurance. Ask them for a copy of their insurance. A good electrician, again, he'll have no problem in handing that over to you, because they should have at least £2 million worth of public liability insurance. So do that. And the thing about registered electricians too is that when they're on that register, they're forced to have all these things in place anyway. So if you find them on the register in the first place, and you can be pretty sure that they've got insurance anyway, but there's no harm in asking for a copy of it, because they may have let it lapse, and if they've done something wrong in your house and something goes wrong, the house goes on fire, and they don't have insurance, then you're not protected. So look, if you have any queries about this, please get in touch, because I'd love to speak to you about it. And that's basically how you can get your electrical work done by a registered electrician, not a rogue electrician.